This quick video shows you how to install Ansible on a Ubuntu machine. Installing it is rather easy, and with just a couple of commands it is done. Firstly, the personal package archive, the PPA, needs to be added. To do this, enter the command sudo apt-add-repository pph ansible. After this is done, you have to run the update command to retrieve the repository information with sudo apt-update. You will see the Ansible repo we added come by. This means the repository has been added successfully. Now it is time to install the Ansible package by running sudo apt-install ansible. Enter yes and hit enter to proceed with the installation. This will install two packages, Ansible and ansible-playbook. This step will be fast forwarded since it might take a minute to install. Once it is done installing, you can run the commands ansible -version and ansible -playbook -version to see if it actually works. That's it for this video. More videos will come about Ansible, so stay tuned and check out my channel for more.